Welcome to our channel. If you suspect your Medicare account has been compromised, it's crucial to report it immediately. Follow these step-by-step instructions to secure your account. Step 1. Contact Medicare immediately at 1-800-MEDICARE, 1-800-633-4227. This hotline is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for urgent security concerns. Step 2. Inform the representative that you believe your account has been taken over or compromised. Provide details about suspicious activity you've noticed. Step 3. Request a complete review of your account activity. Ask for a list of recent claims, benefits accessed, or any changes made to your account information. Step 4. Change your Medicare.gov login credentials immediately. Create a strong, unique password that you haven't used elsewhere. Step 5. Enable multi-factor authentication on your Medicare account if available. This adds an extra layer of security to prevent future unauthorized access. Step 6. Review your Medicare summary. Notice, MSN, carefully for any services or procedures you didn't receive. Report any fraudulent claims immediately. Step 7. File a complaint with the Office of Inspector General at oig.hhs.gov if you believe Medicare fraud has occurred. Provide all documentation of suspicious activity. Step 8. Contact your bank if you notice unauthorized withdrawals or charges related to Medicare services. Step 9. Consider placing a fraud alert on your credit reports to prevent identity theft. Contact all 3 major credit bureaus. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.